Hello everyone. We, group number 6 of DIY, are presenting the demonstration of final DIY project. And our project is IoT based home automation under smart home. Now, let me introduce you my team members. Hello everyone. I am Vadapalli Nityashri. My roll number is 21EC 10084.
Hi, I am Elanki Sailikita. My roll number is 21CE 10085.
I am Sumon Das and my roll number is 21AME 30065.
I am Bhavya Duggi and my roll number is 21EC 30016.
I am Snigdha Biswas. My roll number is 21CS30049.
The objectives of a project. While the cost of living is going up, there is a growing focus to involve technology to lower prices. With this in mind, the Smart Home project allows the user to build and maintain a house that is smart enough to keep energy levels down while providing more automated applications. A home automation system makes the operations of various home appliances more convenient. And access to control devices in your home from a mobile device anywhere in the world. And it is also energy efficient.
So here is the circuit design we have made using Tinkercad. We used a 3.3 voltage power supply as the ESP8266 can't handle higher voltages. First we need to program the ESP, which we do by connecting it to a TTL converter. So the connections of ESP and the TTL converter are as shown. The GPIO 0 and the ground pins of ESP are connected to ground. The RX pin of ESP is connected to TX of TTL converter and vice versa. The CHPD and VCC pin of ESP are connected to 3.3 voltage. After programming the ESP in this way, we connected back into the circuit where we have represented 3 LEDs as volt loads. One terminal of each of LEDs is connected to ground, while the other terminal are connected to the serial ports on the ESP via 2.2 kilo ohm resistors.
This is the code for the project. In this we have included these libraries, and in the vector relays these are the IDs of the devices which are created in the Syndic Pro account named fan, nightlight and moonlight, and we have defined the Wi-Fi SSID, Wi-Fi password, and also defined the app key and app secret of the Syndic Pro account. And in coming here, first in this void setup it calls the setup relay pins function, and then it calls the setup Wi-Fi function. In the setup Wi-Fi function it calls Wi-Fi SSID, Wi-Fi password, which are defined here, and then it checks whether Wi-Fi is connected or not. After that it calls the setup Syndic Pro function, and in the setup Syndic Pro function it calls on power state function, and in this on power state function it checks whether device ID is equal to or relay device ID or not. According to that, if it is equal, and the bulb or the LED which is connected will be on, otherwise it will be off.
Hello, I am Sumon Das and I made the circuit in DIY lab and now I will explain it. So this is our circuit. Now we will implement it. This is Google Home app and there is 2 lamp and 1 fan. If I turn on lamp 1, this LED glows. If I turn on lamp 2, the other LED glows. And if I turn on the fan on becomes on. Now if I turn off, they becomes turn off. Now I also can use voice command. Turn on lamp 1.
Okay, turning on the lamp 1.
Yeah, as you can see, lamp 1 is on. turn on the fan.
Got it.
As you
Turning the
can
fan
see,
on.
the fan is on. And we can also use Amazon Alexa app. Like if we on the lamps becomes on, and if we on the fan becomes on. Alexa, turn on the lamp on.
Okay.
Yeah, as you can see, the lamp one is on. Alexa, turn off the lamp one.
Okay.
As you can see, the lamp one is off. We can also use these switches to on and off the devices. Like if we use this switch, we have to connect these wires. If I use this switch, it can turn it on. If I use this switch, the bulb turns on. And if I use this switch, the fan becomes on. Yeah, this was our presentation.